Hello my dear learners, welcome to my incredible classes. Here you're going to learn science for classes 6, 7 and 8 in a really engaging and joyful manner. So this is our first class. So I'm going to take the first chapter from your science textbook, Curiosity. You remember the name of your chapter? It is The Wonderful World of Science. So now from class 6 onwards, we are going to take baby steps into this world of science. Now science is not something very big. It is actually the way of thinking. You know a boy? Once there was a boy who was sitting under a tree. And an apple fell on him. And he took that apple and instead of eating, a question comes up in his mind. Why did this apple fell down? Why didn't it go up or fly up? And from there, he discovered a very important phenomena, that is gravity or gravitation. So if hadn't that word, why, comes up in his mind, we would have never discovered this gravity. So this is science. Science is actually observing and asking some questions to yourself. What kind of questions? First question, why? How? You know, this is very important question. How something is happening. If you are able to find the answer to these questions, then my dear learners, you are a little scientist. Yes? If you have ever asked these questions to yourself, then just mark self. You are little scientist sitting there. Every day our world is changing or something new is happening everywhere, right? Now, if you go into your garden, okay, you see flowers blooming, butterflies flying, birds flying, okay, you could find some animals crawling, okay. Have you ever asked yourself, why the butterfly is flying or birds are flying, but this snakes or some insects are crawling, okay, why the shape of the insects are so different? Why these birds have this kind of specific body shape? Why fishes are always in water? You know, these are some simple questions. But if you have ever asked how, why, and if you have asked these questions to your parents, your teachers, then my dear students, you are all set to learn science. Right? So, join my classes, come with me, let's start our journey together and just explore this wonderful world of science all together. So we will continue this journey and we will start the first chapter, the wonderful world of science, in our coming classes.